Now working with the widgets, the widget area of your WordPress website. From default we have some widgets available from the WordPress. Archives, audio, you can set up audios, calendar, categories, custom HTML, gallery, and navigation, pages, and these are some available formats, or you can save available widgets for your WordPress website. So what are the widgets? Widgets are just a block, so you can place them anywhere in your WordPress website. For example, I will give you example. If I want to create a block of text in WordPress website, so I will create a widget and then place in, if I want to place in the footer, so I will create a widget and then place into the footer.php, and then this will appear in my footer space over here. So I'm gonna show you a demo how I create the widgets. From here, there are two ways you can create your WordPress website widgets. One way is to create with the coding techniques, and another way is to create with the help of plugins. So the way of the plugin to create a widget is very simple. So I will tell you how I can create a widget for you people. Custom widget area. Yes, Kishore Combo. Yes, I use this plugin. This is very much easy. I install it and then activate it. So here you can see that this custom widget area has been created. The settings has been enabled. So I will go to custom widget area to create a widget for our WordPress website to be visible in the footer. I will create with the name footer 1, and then I will hit create, and then I will go to appearance and widget, and you will experience over here with the name footer 1 we will have features over here. If you want to set up some text in that widget, so you can click over here and then select footer 1 and add that widget. So you will have this widget. So I will write some text about us. I will set up dummy text. This is the dummy text, and I will copy this one and then paste to have a good amount of text. I will save it. Now I would like to show this widget into the footer section. So what I will do is to go back to the custom widget area, and then I will take this short code and copy this one and paste it into the editor area and go to footer.php, and this is my copyright text. So this is my copyright text, and I would like to show that widget just above that copyright text. So I will go to footer.php and I will paste it over here. So this is the short code, but this will not work because this is the short code, and to run a short code there is a way to produce a short code in a productive way. I will write some PHP coding, and in fact I can, where is my custom widget area? In fact I can copy a code as well. This is my code. I will copy it and placed it into over here. I will give some PHP coding open and PHP tag close. So update file, and I'm gonna refresh it. So you will see over here the text has been integrated. That text block in fact has been integrated into the footer section. So you can give any style, you can give classes, you can give class, test, and then you can close it. Update the file, refresh, and you can see over here I have given a test file, test class. So this has been created. I'll go some 0.33%. So you can see over here I've given some style. So in this way you can set up a block in your WordPress website. You can, if you want to create this block in the footer, you can set up in the footer.php, and if you want your text block, or you want your widgets to appear in the header.php or header in the header space, so you can also set up over here. So this requires a bit of programming or a bit of PHP coding techniques, but it's not a rocket science. It's very simple. So in this way you can set up widgets in your WordPress website.